with a temperature of 57 at Des Moines and 66. Severe thunderstorm warning information. The National Weather Service in Hastings has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Jewell County, Eastern Smith County, Southern Clay County, Nuckolls County, Webster County, Southeastern Adams County, Western Thayer County, until 1:30 a.m. At 12:40 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Bladen to near Guide Rock to 7 miles north of Downs, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source: Automated Weather Station. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Blue Hill, Guide Rock, Burr Oak, Ionia, Cowles, and Bostwick around 12:45 a.m. Superior, Mankato, and Rosemont around 12:50 a.m. Lawrence around 12:55 a.m. Nelson, Jewell, Deweese, Weber, Nora, Lovewell State Park, and Montrose around 1:00 a.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Hardy, Ruskin, Formoso, Edgar, Fairfield, Oak, Deshler, Davenport, and Byron. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Wind damage with these storms will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:30 a.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Adams, Clay, Nuckolls, Thayer, and Webster, and the following counties in Kansas: Jewell and Smith.